How to set your Android phone on auto update. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn on auto update on your Android phone. Now, the first thing you want to do is tap on the settings. Once the settings have been launched open on your Android phone, you want to look for the option of software update or system. This depends on your device, so go ahead and select it accordingly. On my device, it says software update, so I'm going to tap that open. If you do not find the software update option, you can simply use this search icon over here and then search for software update. Now, once you have found it, you will find the option that says auto download over Wi-Fi. Now, if you toggle this option on, then the software updates will be automatically downloaded when connected to a Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and toggle this option on. In this way, you can easily set your Android phone on auto update. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.